This is the Big 4 Easy Routine. No equipment, no stress. Just 4 simple movements you do 3 times a week, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday. If you've been putting off working out, this is where you begin. How to do it. Stand in front of a chair or couch. Sit down lightly, then stand back up immediately. Don't use your hands. Reps, 15 times. This is basically a squat, but easier. It builds your legs, glutes, and balance. It also trains a real-life movement you do every day. If you struggle here, your body's telling you it needs strength. This fixes that. Next, wall push-ups, chests and arms. How to do it. Stand facing a wall. Place your hands on it. Lean your body forward. Then push yourself back. Reps, 10 to 15. This builds your chest, shoulders, and arms. It's the perfect starting point before real push-ups. Most beginners fail because they start too hard. This removes frustration and builds confidence fast. Next, march in place, cardio and core. How to do it. Stand tall. Lift your knees up one at a time. Swing your arms like you're walking with purpose. Time, 60 seconds. This gets your heart rate up without stressing your joints. It improves cardio, coordination, and core stability. No jumping, no impact, just movement and consistency. And the last one, plank tap core. How to do it. Get into a push-up position, but keep your knees on the floor. Tap your left shoulder with your right hand, then switch. Reps, 10 total taps. This builds a strong core and stability. It also protects your lower back. Unlike sit-ups, this won't strain your neck. It trains your body to stay solid and controlled. Do this routine 3 times a week. That's it. No excuses. No overthinking. Start small. Stay consistent. And your body will change. You finished it. Most people wouldn't. Don't go back to being weak. Subscribe, and I'll keep pushing you. This is Uncle Fit. Be proud of yourself.